Hello everyone, I've put a video together up on this YouTube channel and we've been at the Murrumbidgee River for the past few days on New Year's weekend, and I'll show you some clips of what we caught, and we had a good time, so yeah. There's half taking the carp away. Ooh. Good boy. There it is. On straight. Yeah, I'm gonna bite this. No, that was a bit late. Still going, mate. Sandy, you wanna get the fish? John! I didn't actually say that. Huh? I didn't say that. Yeah? No. Oh, Caleb! Caleb! Is it still on there? Yeah. Oh. Quick, quick, quick.
It's not real big.
Cab went off.
Yeah, I know. Got the way.
What is it?
Cod.
Probably a trouty.
It's cod.
Yeah, it is. It is too. Oh,
No, cod.
it's a cod, Dad.
Yeah, it's trout cod. Good. Hold that on. Burning.
I got that on video, Carol. Same. Is it trout?
Yeah. 50? 40?
Yes. Show us a look.
Hook got him well, didn't it?
Oh. Wait, Caleb, what was going on? The one that
Yeah, I told you it got him the first time.
Oh, yep, hit. Yep. Got it?
Yep.
A lake?
Yep.
How it goes.
Well, I only had one big one. I got like wrapping number 2.
Trout caught on pool. Little snake. That's mad. Oh, trying to get up. Can't. Oh, oh, that's scary. Where it? Right up. There you go. Nice trout cod. Off he goes. You. What is he?
Take photo of that.
Huh? Oof.
How good?
Some trout cod. As soon as I put it in, it started biting it. Right. Yep. Beautiful. Off it goes. We're on. Trouty. Oh, he's alright. Bring him over here. Yes. There he is. Yeah. Yes.
Right.
Yep. There you go. On another one. Yep. Where's the lip grips? Where are the lip grips?
No, he's only baby.
Shit. At least we've caught one. Keep talking. Trout cod. It's alright. 63 centimetre mark. A trout. It's a good fish too.
Point your head down.
Wait, Kayla, how's my arm?
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah. Do you feel him bite it?
Yeah, you just took it.
I half hooked him, but there we go.
Hello? Did you get the FaceTime?
That.
No, that's
Oh,
right.
no, you
It's
were
alright now.
FaceTime with the
It's a trouty.
Is it?
That's good.
Pressure on it.
Oh, what's it called, I think?
Yeah, it's be a cod.
It is.
Yeah,
That's
just
a
steady.
Murray.
Steady.
It's a Murray.
Steady, it's a trouty.
Is
Isn't
it?
it?
Holy fuck, that's a good fish.
Yeah, steady. Try and bring it away from Taylor's line.
Have you got a measuring tail?
Yep. Bring it over here. Just steady, he's in the current. Good trouty, trouty. Good trouty. Quick. Steady. No, he's just going to fall. He's right. He's right. No, he's got. Just steady. Bring him up. Steady. Try and lift his, keep his head out.
She's on. Oh, good. Oh, no. It's a Murray. Is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yellow belt.
Try and bring him up. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a Murray cod.
It's a Murray.
You just called a Murray cod, mate. You.
Look here, hooked hard.
You caught a fish.
Do you want to go now?
Catch more.
Yeah, I want a photo set.
Can I
Get the lip grips.
Yeah.
Try to grab the lip grips out. Right.
Yep. Can I release it? I want to release it! Why? There he goes. Cool lobster.
How did you catch that?
I don't know. Felt like something was on. That's mad.
Get a photo with it.
Nah.
Did you know?
That'd be a keeper if it was season. Do you even feel it bite? I didn't see it bite. Release.
What'd you catch it on, Joe? Chicken?
Yeah, I actually did. Got a nice trout. Oh. Got a measure on it. there for a sec. Yeah. 41. But of him. Yep. Also. He's right. He's taking his time. Yep, there he goes. No, he's still there. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see more content, comment down below and I'll be coming up with some more.